Good morning, parents, and good morning, grade 3 learners. I hope that it's going very well on this Thursday morning. Today we are going to do pages 85 to 86 for mathematics. Okay, you can also give me feedback on these videos. If you feel like it's not efficient enough or if you need more help, please let us know so we can help you furthermore. Okay, so we are going to start at page 85. Page 85 for today's work. Okay, so it will be a continued worksheet from yesterday's worksheet. Remember, we ended here at page 84 where we did the visit to the dentist. So what we are going to start with, we're going to start with this table, and we're going to take all the information here and we are going to put it into a picture graph. Okay, a picture graph. Okay, so I'm going to show you what a picture graph looks like. So the first thing you will need is your ruler and your pencil. Okay, so we are going to start. I already drew it here for you, but I will still explain. So you're going to put your ruler over here. Then we're going to meet 14 centimeters. From 0, you're going to draw a line, 14 centimeters. At each centimeter, you make a little line to show where the centimeters are. So there's centimeter 1, centimeter 2, centimeter 3. So you're going to do that up until 14 and also number the centimeters when you are done. Okay, 1 up until 14. Then this side, put your ruler on the line there. From 0 up into 6, you're going to draw a line. From 0 up into 6. And this time we're going to count in 2s. So it will be 2, 4, 6. Okay, but we are not going to write the numbers. Now here, the first block we're going to write once, the second block twice, and the third block 3 times. Okay, and remember, very important, at the top, any graph always has to have a heading. So the heading for this picture graph will be brushing teeth. Okay, so here at the bottom we have the information for once, twice, and 3 times. Here you can write how many times per day. Okay, now after you drew that, then you're going to start by drawing the picture graph. So remember, one toothbrush represents 1 time. Okay, so if you look here, I will show you once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 learners that brushes their teeth once a day. So what you can do now, you can then also use a toothbrush to represent the amount of learners there are. So that means in this one, remember there are 9 learners. So you're going to end at 9 and you're going to start at 1. So here you can draw a toothbrush. There was 1 learner, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to draw all up until 9 learners, because there were 9 learners that brushes their teeth once a day. Then you go to the next one. How many learners brushed their teeth twice? And draw the amount of learners that brushed their teeth twice. Then you go to the third one, and then you are done for that. Okay, at the bottom of the page, they say do a survey in your class and ask 15 to 20 learners, but unfortunately we are not back yet, so we will do this as soon as everyone is back. Okay, so that's it for page 85. Okay, page 86, we're going to do add and combine. Now again, we're going to work with the value of the numbers. Here we have 50, here we have 6. So again, we are working with tens and units. Okay, so what we're going to do again, we're going to break up the numbers into tens and units, and then count all the tens together, count all the units together, and then add them to get your final answer. Okay, just like she did over here. We're going to do exactly the same at the next page. So this page is just an example to show you what we're going to do at the next page. Okay, so let's see here. She's using cards. Okay, if you do not have cards, remember at the beginning of the year we gave you cards like these ones. But if you do not have them, again you can use your counters. This can represent a 10, and if you want to represent units, remember units are singular. They stand alone. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. This is 1 full 10. Okay, so you are allowed to use that to help you. Okay, so let's see. 56 plus 73. So look here what she has done. Again, she first broke up the units from the tens. 56. So she broke it up. She took them apart. 5 tens means it's the same as 50 plus 6 units. It stays 6. That's what she did there. She broke it up. Okay, that was the first one. The second one was 73. Again, she broke it up. She separated the tens from the units. 73, so 7 tens. 73. 7 tens, the value of 7 tens will then be 70. The value of 3 units will stay 3. Okay. Now, what she did was, look over here. She took all the tens. Can you see that? She put the tens together and she put the units together. If you want to do brackets like that, you can do that to make it easier for yourself. Okay. Therefore, she said 50 plus 70 and 6 plus 3. So 50 plus 70 and 6 plus 3. Then it equals to, she first then did the units. So she left the tens as is. Can you see that? She didn't do that yet. She first started with the units. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now she got the units. Now she's going to the tens. 50 plus 70 equals to 120. Because it's also easy to say a 5 plus a 7 is 12. Then you can just add the 0. After that step, now she took this number, and because now we've added 100, now she's got 100. Do you see that? Because 120 means there's 100 now, because it's 120. So she wanted to separate the hundreds from the tens from the units. So therefore, there's 100. So 100, there's 100, and the value of 100 is 100. Plus, there's 2 tens, which means 2 tens is the same as 20 plus 9 units. Therefore, look how easy it's now. 100 plus 20 plus 9 is 129. Okay, a very easy way to break up them to get the final answer there at the bottom. Now at the bottom of page 86, there's another method that you can use. So this was her method. This is the method she chose. Now here we have Dumi. This is Busi. This is Dumi. Now Dumi has a different method. She is using these lines to indicate what she's doing. A very quick method. Okay, so she took the same numbers using a different method. So what did she do? She also split up the numbers, like you can see 56. It's 50 plus 6. 73 is 70 plus 3. So what did she do next? She somehow from there straight on added the two tens together. So she skipped all those methods over there. From there she decided, okay, now I'm going to take the tens. These are the tens. 50 plus 70 equals to 120. Then she took the units. 6 and 3 equals to 9. So it means it's 120 plus 9. Its easiest step, it means it's 129. Okay. So, two different methods. You can see that this method's much quicker than this method, but this is also a good method. She broke up everything, whereas Dumi only broke it up at the beginning and just added the tens and the units. Okay, now we're going to go to page 87. So you will see we have Busi's method on the left and Dumi's method on the right. Okay, we will come to this one later at the end. So what you are going to do is on the left side you are going to do Busi's method, and on the right side you are going to do Dumi's method. Remember Busi, if you want to just page back and make sure, you just go and check there. And this one is for Dumi. Okay, so there they started, but they haven't finished. So what you're going to do now is you're going to continue. There you're going to continue, and the rest you're going to do it from the start. But you will see here at the bottom, we have use Aka's method. Now, that's this little boy over here. Now it says here, he likes to round off. Here's how he does this one. Because remember in maths, there are different methods to get to the answer. You must choose the method which is easiest for you to use. Okay, so you can either, if you like this one better, then that's your method. Remember, you choose a method at the end of the day which is easiest for you. But today you're going to do all methods to find out which one is easiest. So the last one, you have to try his method. So what did he do? Again, we use the same equation over there. 56 plus 73. So what did he do? He rounded off, because if you round off to 10, for example, if you want to round off 9, it means we take it to the biggest 10, so it would become 10. So again, he broke up the tens, 50 plus 70, so there's the tens. Then instead of saying 6 plus 3, he said plus 10 minus 1, because 6 plus 3 equals to 10. Therefore he said 10 equals to 9, sorry. But then he made it a 10 and said 10 minus 1, because it's easy to add tens together. That's why he likes rounding it off. So that means 50 plus 70 plus 10 equals to 130, but we have to remember that minus 1 equals to 129. It's a minus 1 because 6 plus 3 is actually 9, but he made it 10, so it's easy to count all the tens together. Okay, so that's what you are going to do at the last block. So all the yellow blocks you will use Buthi's method. All the pink blocks for Dumi's method, and this last blue block you will try Akar's method. Okay guys, so that was the last page for today. So we will return again tomorrow for the last day's work. Okay, have a good day.